Good morning, teacher and classmates. Today we are going to talk a little bit about how to make a better use of ICT in education. To do that, we are going to discuss first about this video, how to why use ICT in education. The main idea of this video is to explain the benefits and the importance of integrating information and communication technology into educational settings. This video likely discuss how ICT enhance learning by providing interactive tools, facilitating access to information, and preparing the students for a digital future. Now we have this video that is called April Fool's Video Frank in a math class. This video features a playful prank where a teacher surprised the students with a humorous twist during the lesson. The purpose of this is to create a fun and engaging environment, lighting and making the learning more memorable for the students. Both videos center on educational themes, but the approach is different. While the first video focuses on the practical benefits of integrating technology into classroom, highlighting how ICT enhances learning by making it more interactive, and the second one is more lighthearted, showcasing a Frank in a math class. I think it empathizes with the importance of creating a fun and engagement learning environment. How to improve the use of ICT in a classroom? I have some ideas. The first one is to make interactive learning tools using in classes educational apps. Also, we have flipped classrooms that is create videos about the lessons that the student can watch in their houses. We have also collaborative projects that promote the work of the students together through digital platforms. We have also professional development, that is that the teachers should pursue ongoing training to update to the new tools. Also, we have assessment and feedback, that is use digital tools for real-time assessments. Finally, we have ensure accessibility, incorporating the technologies for the students with special needs. By creating this or integrating the ICT in education, the teachers can create a more dynamic and effective learning environment that meets the needs for all the students. Thank you.